with Ken from Foldscope Instruments. Ken, you're a first-time exhibitor here. This is a pretty cool little device you got here. Tell me a little bit about it. It looks like an origami microscope kind of thing.
Yeah, this is great. Thank you. This is a origami-based microscope. It's fully functioning at 140 power and 2 microns of resolution. And the idea is the kids can put this together themselves. And then when you're done, it looks something like this. So you have yellow on one side and blue on the other side. It's kind of color-coded. It accepts a standard 2-inch glass slide, which is purposely designed this way so you could find this anywhere in the world. And then to view, you hold it with your thumb over the holes. Focusing is done with this part, and you can see one side is thick and the other side is thin, and as you move from the thick side to the thin side, that's how you get your focusing. To view, you just hold it up to your eye and look inside. And you can also mount this onto your phone as well. And to do that, we give you a magnet module that you just tape to the back of your camera lens. It doesn't take any additional app. And it attaches directly on here. Let me make sure that this is in place here.
Oh, I love this.
Yeah, and now you have additional magnification with your phone. So using your phone digital magnification, you could increase the power of the magnification. If you have a live specimen, you can also take video on your phone or take images. So it's a great, not only a STEAM product, but I think it's a STEM product. So you can learn about the technology when you put this thing together and the science and the engineering behind it. And then, you know, the art is the looking at the origami and then do the artwork or drawing of what you see.
Okay. Yeah. And how are you selling these?
We are in 130 plus countries around the world right now. We're backed by the Gates Foundation in the US, Moore Foundation, Simons Foundation. We're in Russia with the Science and Press Foundation, and in India with the Department of Biotechnology. We sell through retail as well as through school districts and museums.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.